Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and playing around with the Ice Cream Beauty Box for the month of May 2023. I'm so excited to finally get my box. I literally just got it out the mailbox. As soon as I got it out the mailbox, I came in here, sat down, and did my base. And now we're about to unbox her and play around. I cannot wait to try out the blush, even though my girl Pam told me to be very careful because she is pigmented. So this month's card is Cyber Garden. So of course we're going to start off with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this is by the Gourmand Girls. I cannot wait to try out this palette. Look at how beautiful. It looks gorgeous. This pink I think we're going to use today. Oh, look at that shift. So buttery. And look at the pigment. Oh, that orange is gorgeous. Yeah, I think we're definitely going to be using that pink shade today. But I wore a colorful top just so we could have some options. Ooh, that yellow is gorgeous. Pretty. Ooh, that color is so pretty too. This is definitely going to be a fun summer palette. I love it. So next up is the lip pencil, and I lied, you guys. I have a lip pencil from them already right here that I absolutely love, and it's in a dark brown, but now I got like that more pinky nude. So I'm so glad that we got this. I absolutely love these lip liners. Totally forgot that we had already gotten a lip liner from them before. Oh, okay, here is the lippy. I cannot wait to see what color I got. I got Flamingo. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. It's this really pretty like hot pink glitter. Oh my God. So yes, I'm definitely going to be going with the pinks today just to go with the lippy. I'm so excited. Here she is. Here is the blush. Oh my God. This looks like, is this it's a fake flower in here. Okay. Is it like a cream? That's really pretty color though. Look at how beautiful. It doesn't tell me a color on here though, but that is really pretty. I love that. That goes really well with the lip gloss too. Okay, and last but not least is going to be that liquid duochrome. I cannot wait to see. I'm so excited for this product too. I'm like so excited for this month's box. This month is a good one. Ooh, okay, love the packaging. Very nice. And then let's swatch. Yes, I knew it. I knew I was gonna love that. Look at that white icy goodness. I love that. I cannot wait to try out all these products today. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the blush. How cute. I thought this was going to be like a powdered blush. Have you seen like the powdered ones? But either way, super cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a stippling brush, and I'm just going to kind of pat on here a little bit and just tap it out. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Is that not such a pretty color? I love. So pretty. And again, I'm just using this stippling brush because I want to go in a little bit light-handed. I don't want to go in too heavy-handed because like I said, my girl on here already told me that she is pigmented, but how cute. I love this color. And I'm just going to keep blending it out. Like she said, blend, 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 girl. I mean, that is a gorgeous color. And I have really been into blush lately, so I am so happy that we got this. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite blushes. I can tell you that already because it blended out really nicely. Again, I just used a stippling brush. I just feel like stippling brushes don't pick up as much product, so it's a little bit easier to work with blush. I always use a stippling brush for blushes because I usually don't like a lot of blush, so I want to be light-handed with it, and I am a heavy-handed person, so if I was to go in like with this type of brush, it would be a hot mess, okay? That would be too much to control. But if you ever do go in too heavy-handed with your blush, just blend it out a little bit with your beauty sponge. I mean, this blush is gorgeous. I love it. I think it looks so pretty. Okay, so just really quick, I am going to use this highlighter. And of course, I'm gonna use my weird brush. Okay, let's go ahead and do the lip since my lips are so dry. These lip liners are super creamy. They glide right on. There is no tugging, but you do sharpen these. And they sharpen really easily. I've never had an issue with them. I'm excited to try this lip. Oh, so pretty. And I usually do not like pink lips. Oh, and it smells so good. This is definitely a highly pigmented gloss. I mean, gorgeous. Feels really smooth on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky. I love it. What a cute summer color. I usually do not like bright pinks on me, but this one looks super cute. I really like that. Comment below what color you got, because I'm just like being nosy. I want to know like the different shades there were. And like I said, this one is flamingo, and it's like that hot pink glitter, which is super cute. I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to start off with Hotline in my transition area. I love this shade already. This is a beautiful pink shade. One of the things that I really love about this formula is when you're using a fluffy brush and you're putting the shades in your transition area, you can blend them out and they are not too much for your transition area. I like light washes of colors in my transition area, so I love when you can build it up or sheer it out. And this formula is definitely that. You can build it up or you can sheer it out. Okay, so now that I got the transition area done, I'm going to go into this blue shade here, and this is called Space. And I'm just going to start packing that on the outer crease. I'm going to do like a pink and blue look. I'm just going to build this color up. Such a pretty blue. Okay, so now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into the shade Glitch, which is that really pretty duochrome color. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it on with my finger first, because I just find that these duochrome colors do tend to go on better with your finger. And again, my finger. And then I'll take my flat brush and go back and blend it out. Now, I'm not going to take it all the way to the inner corner because I am going to use this liquid duochrome for like the inner corner portion. Just because, girl, I got to use this white and yes, the inner corner. I'm just using the applicator and I'm going to wipe it off before I stick it back into the container, just to make sure I'm not getting any of these pink shades in there. Same thing for this side. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush and kind of blend everything out together, tapping the white into that pink just to make sure it's nice and transitioned. Now I'm going to go back with that blue brush and I'm just going to blend everything out. Just going to blend it around. Go back and add a little bit of blue over top of that duochrome shade. Just kind of blend it back and forth, and that looks so pretty. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back with that pink shade and my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out a little bit more. I love doing pink and blues together. I think it gives like a cotton candy look. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go into the blue shade. I'm going to run that all underneath of my lash line here. Of course, bring it out and connect. And you know what? Just for funsies, I'm going to take this Vice shade down here, and I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlighter. Just to add another color in there, which is gorgeous, by the way. Okay, so I am going to throw on a little bit of mascara, and this is the Dragon Lash Mascara that we got out of one of our ice cream boxes, and I really do like this mascara. It's a little bit hard to get out of your lashes, but it lengthens and separates your lashes like so good. It really is one of my favorite mascaras to use. Okay, girl, so this is the completed look. Okay, so phenomenal box, 10 out of 10 this month. I love every single thing in this box, and this box like coordinates so well together this month. Amazing job, love it. So absolutely love the blush. It's probably one of my favorite things that I've received this month. I am so happy. I love the color. It looks gorgeous, and I'm so happy we got this. The lip liner I love. I absolutely love the formula of this. It's very creamy, glides on. You can use this just as a lipstick if you wanted to. It's that creamy. Love, love, love this lip color. And again, I usually do not love these types of colors, but this one is gorgeous, very comfortable on the lips, and very pigmented for a lip gloss. So this is definitely a winner for me. Okay, so I absolutely love this duochrome liquid eyeshadow. I'm so glad we got it in the shade white because I love it and it blends out really nicely. Absolutely love the palette. Gourmand Girls, their formula is amazing. Their duochromes are fabulous. If you've never tried their formula, you are gonna love this palette because they are that good, girl. So as always, girl, let me know down in the comments, what did you think of this month's box? I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.